An appeal for the health authorities to speed up their response and tend to the medical needs of residents in some Westmoreland's most hardest hit communities. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
This woman has been sitting in the sun without moving for hours. She is not working on a tan. She has a mental disability and has been without her medication for over 2 weeks since Hurricane Melissa. We were told sitting in the scorching sun is how she stays calm. In the community of Mcalpine, there are other residents like her who suffer from mental illnesses, but their medication has also run out.
My brother that have mental sickness here and live with me and we have to took him way to Kingston to get his drug body to make him alright. But other people can't make it out because the taxi fare is $500 to go White House and $500 to $1,000 to go to staff. You understand, them a charge, the taxi man them a charge. So the people them not have no money to go to the nearest health center where they would have set up a little tent or something to go get them juke. So we not have no medical team where come inside of the area, come give nobody no juke and thing. And them really violent because them can chop up anybody on the road or them can fling in a car, mash up car, kill a little kid in them and thing because some of them violent when them get out. Because we know them.
And it is not just persons with mental illness. This is Vincent Sr. Mr. Sr. has also been unable to access his medication and treatment. The result, his legs, hands, face and fingers are all swollen. And with each passing day, it gets worse. His situation is critical. Teary-eyed, he told me the health authorities promised to send mobile clinics to them. That promise has not been fulfilled.
They send up mobile unit and check the elder and 72-year-old.
And nobody come check my
No clinic not be a White House. I worry about my health. I don't know what's going to happen to me. I don't really know. Camila don't help. Only mercy I got me, I pray to every baby. He don't cut me off, so I don't have no help.
On Tuesday, the health minister listed at least 10 communities in Westmoreland that have so far benefited from the National Health Fund's mobile pharmacy initiative. Over 285 prescriptions have been filled to date across those communities. Mcalpine was not listed, and the residents say they have not received the service. Now they have grown desperate and frustrated with waiting. And to make matters worse, they watch as supplies ferry along the main road to other parts of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland every day.
It all cause a controversy or a problem, but we just doesn't care because we need help. So we are come down, come block the main road. Yes, that's all we are going to carry the sick people them up there. We are going to carry them down from by car and come block your road. We are use with body and block your road, sir. That's how we do right now.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.